Hey guys, welcome to my video. So in today's video what we are going to see is like how to manage a new puppy when they have a loose stool. So our puppy is like 7 weeks old, standard poodle. So her loose stool started about like 3 or 4 days after she had her deworm tablet. So she had her first vaccine and her first deworm tablet around like 6 weeks, when she was around 6 weeks. After that, slowly her loose stool started. Um, so today we are going to see how to manage loose stools, how to prevent it, also what would be the causes for loose stools, particularly in case of a new puppy. I know how anxious we would be, like when we get a new puppy and having has to go potty like every 2 hours, and managing in during night time would be really difficult. Even puppy can't sleep and we can't sleep. So that's what we're gonna see today, how to manage all those, and how to prevent um, that to happen again. So when a new puppy had loose stools, what we did was like directly go into the Google and search loose stools in puppy. What are the causes? So when we did that, we were like really scared, and we don't want that to happen to you guys. So when we searched in the Google, we got the information like the puppy may have inflammatory bowel disease or colitis, so those scary stuffs. So we were like really scared, but it's not that much complicated, that too for a new puppy. um, so when we called the veterinary doctor, right, they told like send the stool sample and let's check for any worms in the stools, like that they told. So initially we were also confused, but after 2 to 3 days of she having diarrhea or loose stools, we gave something that really helped us. So that's what we are gonna learn from this video today. So initially we were giving her only dog food, the Purina one. We just soaked the food in water and make it mushy or soft and gave it to her. She was doing well, but when we get a new puppy, we'll be so excited and we want to try new foods right away. So we did that, and it was completely wrong, that I know now. So I don't want you guys to do that. So what we did was like we gave her bread with milk, and then once she had loose stools, some of my friends suggested to give yogurt. Also we googled it and saw yogurt is good when the puppies are having diarrhea, since it has yogurts, they have probiotics that will help them. So we thought let's give yogurt along with her dog food. So those are the mistakes we did. Um, since she didn't tolerate well those milk and milk products, that initially we didn't know. So I don't want you guys to do the same mistake. So let's wait, to try all these new foods. Also, one more suggestion I can give is like we can try one new food per week, so that we will know which one she's not tolerating. Also, one more mistake we did was like, I got many chew toys for her and gave it to her right away. She was very happy, chewing them, biting them. That also I would say let's wait and give only one new thing per week, whether it's a food or chew toy or toy, anything, so that we will learn which one she is not tolerating and which one she is like, and it's also good for her intestine. So those things we would learn only if we are like patiently try these one by one per week. So then what we did was like we stopped all these milk and milk products and we didn't give any bread, milk, yogurt, nothing. We didn't give anything to her. And then finally, I searched in the Google, got a lot of information, and then gave her this sweet potato that really helped us. So how I gave was like, I um, boiled the sweet potato, cooked it completely, and then if it is like 1/4 cup of sweet potato, I mix with 1/4 cup of well cooked rice, mix them both and gave it to her. So what happened before was, like, she didn't sleep for the whole night. She didn't sleep since he had loose stools, and I need to wake up and she need to wake up for every 2 hours, even during night time. But once I gave this sweet potato along with white rice, um, it really helped us. I gave it for only one day, like for morning, lunch and dinner. I gave this recipe only, sweet potato with rice, nothing else. Oh, also instead of water, I gave her this Pedialyte. Since she's having loose stools, she may have electrolyte imbalance, right? So I gave her Pedialyte. Only those things I gave. And also one more thing they say why the new puppy has loose stools is that they are like exploring things, and when we let her or him out of their crate, they will bite everything, chew everything. So that is the most common reason for loose stools. So to prevent that, I just put her in crate most of the time and didn't let her out. If I let her out, I will watch her like full time, what she's doing, what she's chewing. Like new baby, we need to watch everything. So those things we did, and so those things helped us. We hope, actually we knew this before. That's why I made this video, to help new puppy parents when their puppies or when their puppies are having loose stools. So to sum up, to when your new puppy is having loose stools or diarrhea, change the diet to sweet potato with rice for at least 2 days and 3 days, and then after 3 days, give the regular puppy food along with this sweet potato and rice. And then if your puppy is tolerating milk and milk products, give yogurt along with their dog food. Just mix the dog food with the yogurt and give it to them. And then if your puppy or like my puppy and tolerating milk or not tolerating milk and milk products, if you cannot give any yogurt or something, then you can give this one, Purina Pro Plan 40 Flora, FORTI 40 Flora. It's nothing but veterinary supplement with probiotics for puppies. So it's like sachet, you can just sprinkle it over the dog food and give it to them. That you can give. So hope this video helped you guys. I know help the new puppy parents to manage the loose stools. So if you guys like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Also comment if you guys have any questions related to this video. Take care guys.